Extraction of lethal exhaust gases has been done for years, but new demand was to avoid the common way of using a balancer retracting the hose from the tailpipe. The force to release the hose gives an uncontrolled swinging of the hose, nozzle and other parts, easily scratching the paint of the car body. Also, the ceiling height in the plants was too low for a conventional solution. From the final assembly line, the cars are driven inside the plant to the test areas. The filters adapted to the tailpipes did not remove toxic gases sufficiently enough. Volvo contacted Plymouth for a better solution. We developed a system that takes care of all the problems. Plymouth installed a looped rail with 10 crabs and hoses, smoothly following the production line. The hose is automatically lowered without tensile stress, which minimizes the risk for damage on the vehicles. The grabber, which is a specially designed inflatable rubber bag, is easily adapted to the exhaust pipe and tightly sealed with the use of compressed air. The exhaust rail consists of a circular aluminum profile. Underneath the profile has a slit, which is sealed by 2 longitudinal low-friction rubber moldings, making the crab move easily along the rail, constantly having the right position above the vehicle. By means of negative pressure in the profile, the moldings are compressed and the profile becomes completely sealed. The crab runs on the upper side of the rail profile. The crab is equipped with an exhaust cone which slides between the rubber moldings. The exhaust gases are removed from the premises using a fan unit, extracting the gases through the hose and profile. When the grab passes a sensor on the rail, an air valve opens and the grabber is automatically disconnected. The hose then hangs without tensile stress, waiting for the motor-driven hose lift to pull it up. The motor-driven hose lift pulls it up the hose without side movements, thus minimizing the risk for damage and injuries. The hose lift is operated by an electrical motor powered by a carbon collector on the crab, running in a low-voltage rail. A sensor recognizes the position of the crab, giving the carousel a signal to push the crab around the end of the rail to the transporter. The advantage of using a carousel is to prevent the crabs from stopping at the end of the rail. Because of the low ceiling height, the slope is not steep enough for the crabs to return naturally by gravity. Therefore, the crab transporter is used to elevate the crab. The gravity will then make the crab slide to the rear end of the rail, where the air filling station is situated. Each crab is equipped with a compressed air tank. A sensor detects when the crab is in position and the air refilling can begin. The crab will then stay in the air refilling station until called forward. When the previous crab has left the starting point, the carousel signals for the next one to be called forward from the air refilling station. When in start position, the hose is automatically lowered. The grabber is now ready to be adapted to the exhaust pipe, and the vehicle can be forwarded without spreading toxic exhaust gases inside the premises. The reliability and maintainability of this system is extremely high due to the possibility to service our crabs during ordinary working hours in the service area. A two-way switch allows the crabs to smoothly enter the service area. This new Plymouth system with motorized hose lifts has proven to be a real success. It provides for a clean, safe work area for all employees, as well as allowing a shorter distance between the cars on the assembly line, thus giving this Volvo plant a higher output. With this new reliable system, the environmental and economical benefits will increase. For the best solution in your car manufacturing plant, choose